Okay, so greatest common factor, one way to get the greatest common factor is using synthetic division. Then another one is prime factorization. Tapos yung isa yung divisibility rule. Pero i-discuss ko lang ng konti yung synthetic division at saka yung prime factorizations, hindi mo naman, medyo madugo yun, pero that's a waste of time siguro, hindi ko na muna ituturo. It's kasi ang isa-advise ko nga po sa inyo is yung skip counting pa din, okay? Anyway, just to give you a background dito sa synthetic division, let's see if we can do yung prime factorizations later. So, synthetic division, for example, look at 4 and 8, So, kukunin mo yung common factor between, greatest common factor between 4 and 8. So, you try to list muna yung 4 at saka yung 8. Sige, pakita natin ng isa-isa. So, you try to list muna yung 4 and 8, and then you try to put a line like this one, and then divide it by 2. Pag even numbers, you try to start with 2, diba? And then, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yung sagot ng division mo is sa baba niya, sa tapat niya. Okay? And then, check mo ulit ito, is this divisible by, may common factor ba between the 2 and 4? Ay, meron. So, start ka ulit, even numbers yan. Pwede kang simula ulit sa 2. Okay? So, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Dito, prime na yung 1, so stop ka na dito. Okay? So, pag kukunin mo yung greatest common factor, ang tatanda mo lang dyan is yung G. Okay? Yung gilid. Okay? Pag letter G, greatest. Okay? So, gilid as in G. Okay? So, you try to get all those numbers. You get 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Okay? So, ang greatest common factor ng 4 at saka ng 8 is 4. Okay? So, hindi. Ito sila dito. Okay? So, same process din here. Okay? So, same process din for tatlo, 6, 12, and 24. Okay? Even numbers lahat yan. So, start ka lang lagi sa 2. Pag hindi pwede sa 2, start ka sa 3. Okay? So, yung masunod na prime noon, 5. Okay? So, dito tayo, focus ulit tayo dito, 6, 12, and 24. Anong common factor? All are even, so pwede sa 2. Okay? And then you divide it by 2, all those numbers. Okay? So, if you're going to divide all those numbers, yung 6 divided by 2 is 3, ito naman 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay? So, pag nakuha mo na yan, sa tapat lang lagi ha. And then, you divide it down by 2. Hindi, pwede ba? Hindi. So, try the next one. 3. So, pwede. So, you divide it now by 3. 6 divided by, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Tapos, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12 divided by 3 is 6. You got the idea. Pag titigil ka na, pag yung may prime na dito. Okay, so, yung 1 is prime na, so stop ka na. And then, again, greatest common factor, gilid, G. Okay, so, 2 times 3 is 6. Yun yung greatest common factor. Pag mag-iisip ka po na i-divide dito, you try 2, 3, 5. Ay, ano po, yung po gagawin natin. Okay, you start with 2, 3, tapos yung 5. Yung 4, hindi mo na ito-try kasi divisible naman by 2 yun. After ng 5, you try 7, you try 9, okay, then you try 11. Okay, sige, sulat natin dito. After 7, you also try 9, 11, or yung 10 divisible by 5 naman So, 11, 13, yung mga odd numbers, mga prime numbers. You can also try 17, okay? So, 19, yung mga numbers. Okay? Yung mga prime. You have to try it by 8, hindi kasi divisible even numbers yan. So, hindi na sinasama yung mga even numbers yan. Okay? So, that's for synthetic division. Okay. Pag nag-iisa lang, halimbawa ito 25, 30, 15, anong common factor? 5, wala na, gilid, di ba? So, anong i-multiply mo dyan? Wala na po, simply get the numbers, 5. Okay. How about 36, 81, and 27? Divisible mo by 2? Kasi sabi natin, start tayo sa 2. Hindi. So, try natin sa 3. Pwede ba sa 3? Yes. So, 36 divided by 3 is 12. 81 divided by 3 is 27. And then 27 divided by 3 is 9. Then, dito ka nga mag-check yung tatlo. Pwede ba sa 2? Hindi. Kasi add numbers ito. So, try 3. Pwede. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? Prime na ngayon tayo dito sa 3. So, hindi na natin i-continue yung synthetic division natin. Stop na tayo dyan. Okay? So, paano yung greatest common factor natin? Simply go get all those numbers sa gilid. Okay? That is 3 times 3 is equivalent to 9. So, that's how the greatest common factor is being determined pag ang gagamitin mo is synthetic division.